Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 12FS, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, meaning the content that you wish to capture is open and visible on your screen, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up. First time around, it also gives you the info right here that you can capture screenshot by just doing a 3-finger swipe or hold and do a partial capture, stuff like that. And also, for some, I think, dumb reason, this will delete the screenshot that I have just captured. Let's quickly check that theory. So I'm gonna open up Photos. Oh, nope, there it is, so it didn't delete it. So once again, I'm gonna show this, so there's no pop-up, power button, volume down, and we have also options right here for scroll and share. Now this pop-up will disappear after a moment, like it just did, and you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. So there is one by Google, for instance, and it will be located in the screenshot album. Now this will also store your screen recordings as well, as you can see right here, but we are interested in the screenshots. And here are the two that I have captured. Now obviously you can also access your screenshots in your Photos tab from the OPPO themselves. And here we have albums, and you will see screenshot album, which is also a bit easier to find. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.